Like my life never been so good. Never been asked if you say I would. I've been on about a man that don't like rules. All my knockers don't understand what I put. Every other day it's a step that I take. God send me rain and I'm blessed with brains. Play with the fire. Ain't nothing compared to what I desire. Removing the bad fruit, let him retire. I'm thinking you'll probably be tired with rap. Dude, this my diet. I'm hungry. This homie wired was funny. I'm slipping my thoughts. My dream on is wired. So sleeping you dummy. My boss almost sweeter than honey. Treating my life like she gave me punani. Like what? Oh, dog may come up local monkey, so I save that for discussion. I'm just trying to be convenient for local to know. Not and put my ego down to zero in this fam, living no combustion. Why can I be so complex? Time on Mary like impossible. I'ma be bold like a two-faced kid. Pink with it on this a blue-ray shit. Save all the talks for your politics. If I erase my stuff, would it follow me? I'ma be verb in this speech, no drama. Got two-faced, me no be still all karma. When I spit flames, only so say sama. Yes, I want more, but I don't take armor. Convinced the little I know. Get the taste of rid of my flow. Maybe see the poet within me and only see how Colatro. Call me Michelangelo. Painting pictures you don't know. I can say you need some answers, so I put it on my flow. All talk me like I'm famous, but me like him all hard. Me no like him blow you me just like him you lost away. You know I'm humble like a turtle, homie. I'ma get you shell shocked. No snakes don't bite their rattle to me. Awesome plate cup, damn. Knock a small boy. Let me just spit some verse for you. Mr. Boring Gunner, skin that you saw. But yo, what's up? Look. Let me take a sip of that raw shit. Adrenaline beyond my head. I'm coming with a force, man. You little knockers got a bit of boss with a loss, man. I'm taking tanks out. I can see you stuck in the box, man. Wait a minute, let me flow tighter than a fucking virgin. I got clips on reload, but you can say most a blessing. I'll talk a ride with a bit, but I sound so cool. You rely on a beat, but you sound off. They don't tip it off of me, cause I'm better than whatever. You thinking I'm next level, but no. Riding for my knocker, still a die like smokes. And I'm big enough for nothing, little less than low. Scale him. I'm going local. I wanted a little focal, cause your cliche ass knockers couldn't understand a photo when I'm rapping about my feelings. You end up running that logo when I'm about to reach the ceiling. People think I'm going solo, man. Fuck that, I'm a freestyle off the top. I'm any hand. Let me just rap like I'm drinking Henneken. Y'all know what it is. It's your boy G Smooth. Yeah, I'm cooler than you when I'm rocking in the school, freestyling off the top. It's your boy Scotty Scott, and they know I'm a slap. What's up? It's your knocker small boy in the building. I mean, actually under the house, so yeah. I'm a spit a flow, boring, so you know, every time it's a boring, it's a spitty flow, so I'ma put your rats in my lab like Dr. Dre, and I'm a cock and spray, no masturbate. I fell in love with a trigger, I'm a bastard day, dropping any MCs, cause bullets have no name. I'm from the street, but I'm smart, no blood in my flow, have a whack nigga's hut. Use a dick, but you suck. The only blessing you could have is having the lips that could talk. You claim you're all fresh with the shit that you talk. Asshole, don't run your mouth with that flow. I'm all that good stuff that you knockers prayed for.